So we're on desert map. Are we gonna try to be serious?
Sure.
Wow, you sound super enthused.
I don't care.
Cheer up, bitch. We're going hunting.
It's hunting season.
We're gonna search for rabbits who poke their heads out of bushes.
I'm gonna jump off this cliff because I wish I could do it in real life.
Come on. It cannot be that bad. You are playing Pubg. Oh no. Oh! I just glitched through a building. That was lovely and it hurt. Don't run into buildings, kids. It hurts. I need some butt protection. I need some butt protection. Please give me butt protection.
We're very far away. You're about to... Bye. Oh my god!
You can see it.
Tiffany!
I found a van. It ain't gonna get me anywhere, but... God damn it, god damn it, god damn it, god damn it! God damn it, go! Go, 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 go! This'll be funny. Come on, bitch! We gotta go! This is where I die. I'm not gonna die because of blue, I'm gonna die because this van is gonna kill me.
That's it. That's all I got.
There it goes.
The van's dead. I'm knocked out.
Oh god. Oh. Alright. Shall we go to the vagine? Jump.
Oh, Vagine, where are you? There you
The vagine. For the record, viewers, it looks like a vagina. See,
Come on
Corey?
now.
It looks like a vagina. That's why we call it the vagine. The hell is that noise? It's your asshole puckering?
That's my pussy.
Oh,
Bitch.
DP28. Okay. You know what that?
Why you mad? Cause my pussy pops severely and yours don't. That is one of my favorite vines or videos or whatever the fuck it is.
Butt protection. Butt protection. I has the butt protection.
Oh my god.
Butt protection. Ass protection. You cannot do without the ass protection. That song is stuck in my head. Ah! Help? That song is stuck in my head. Ah! Help? Where was I? They were in
I
the
see 'em.
building.
I see him. Can I shoot through a fence? God, is there somebody behind me?
Girl, he's gonna be right on you.
Oh my god, fucking try me, bitch. Whoa, Jesus Christ! Damn it! Fucking micro Uzi! Hey!
We're just sucking today. I don't know. You're hangry. That's your problem. I don't know what my problem is. I'm just.
Alright.
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just like not in the zone today.
3, 2, 1. Vagina. My name.
3, 2, 1, vagina. That's nice.
3, 2, 1. Vaginas.
Okay, from this angle, viewers, you can really see why we call it the vagina because, well, I don't
We're
know what
going in.
I don't know what to tell you. We're going in, coming
In
in
and around the vagina.
We're coming in hot,
Fellas.
Hey, how you doing?
You like that vagina? I would rather death.
You would rather death
than take a fucking revolver?
I agree on that. I agree.
See you down there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Yep.
No.
No, I'm seriously gonna die. I have no guns. 2 people. 2 people. Gonna die.
Just keep running.
I can't.
Keep running.
I'm stuck in a bathroom. I'm gonna die.
Oh no. Yeah, throw the smoke grenade.
I got a few punches in, but they died at me. No!
I see you on that roof, you fucking asshole. What's up, bitch? Alright.
No! That sucks. Ass protection. Butt protection he has. The ass protection. Ass protection. Ass protection she has. Oh god!
I just shit my pants. Pants have been shot. Where? They're sniping me. They're sniping me from. Oh my. Oh, car 98.
You have
Give
a
me.
you have a sight too, don't you? Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Here they come.
Protection.
Ass I see them.
He's naked.
Ah,
Fuck me, man.
You're getting hit. They're gonna hit you.
Shh.
There he is. There he is.
I can't aim for shit, everybody.
Run! Get him!
Like them apples.
Get him! Seriously.
I'm loading.
Oh! Oh, fucking Christ.
I panicked.
We all know.
Oh no.
This is what happens to Tiffany when I die immediately. Panic.
Oh, my face is red.
You know what? I'm Pain, she's Panic from Hercules, the animated movie by Disney. Exactly. Exactly. Fuck our asses.
Fuck. Fuck my asshole in the asshole. I'm like an asshole.
Right? I thought that was dumb as heck.
See what I mean? Dumb as heck. Oh!
Did I get him? Nope! Ah! They got me.
No way!
Really, with a shotty.
Oh god, I don't have anything. I have a stun grenade.
Mr. Longbia, what server are we on?
Not the Chinese server, and you know how I feel about that shit.
They're down there,
I'm trying to get a gun. Hold on. There's so many guns. What the fuck? Just give me one. Alright. Yep. Lord, I need to go. Oh, I'm right here.
It's right there, I told you. You went French for like 2 seconds.
I did.
Oui, oui.
Whoa.
Hon, titty croissants. my best French impression, you guys. My best. That's in baguette.
Baguette.
It sounds like baguette. Baguette.
Like Bilbo Baggins. I don't know.
No, no, honey, that's Lord of the Rings. I can forgive you for mistaking it for French, though. Elvish.
Looks like I'm playing medic today. Oh!
That was anticlimactic.
I was really hoping I was gonna fly off it.
That was very.
Ah, Jesus Christ! Somebody witnessed it. Woo! Jesus!
Honk, 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 honk. That's a tree? Oh god. Go in a ball of flames.
Yep.
Or, you know, go cool it off in the water. Your choice. Or, you know, get the other one.
It's the old switcheroo.
The old switcheroo. That is a buggy, though.
It's a bugoo. You see that? I'm lagging. Someone's right in front of me.
Oh, yeah.
Someone's right here. I believe. Yep.
Yep.
Woo! Headshot! Look at me. Jesus.
He's falling through the earth. Get away from my tiff.
Hey, come on.
Get away from my tiff. There, have my asshole. There you go.
This is what eating ass is like.
I'm heading there now. Woo! That just scared the shit out of me.
I'm going up here.
Alrighty, if you find anybody, be
Oh,
sure not to.
oh. Well, that was a short ride. Oh! Lord. Well, I take it back.
Call outs, call outs.
Ah! I'm running for my life, man!
One's down.
I'm just
Where
trying.
are they?
Down.
Well, my elbow is toast. Literally a big red splotch. Go me. Oh, I see him. Ah! Running! I'm down, I'm down.
Mine
Where-
220.
Tree in front of you, okay.
He's not alone. Oh, okay. Yep. Shit.
I do not have a good angle.
Okay.
I see the tree where he's at, but I gotta wait until he picks.
Okay. What the fuck just happened in there?
I sent a flash. Ah! How? He just two-shotted me.
Dang.
My husband just threw something at me and gave me the face because I'm being loud.
In the thanks part for Kickstarter, but I think there's a different name. They've got a special thing for the Kickstarter ones, and they've got the thing for like